Have you ever looked up at a rainbow and wondered where they come from? Here at the Wonder Lab, we're going to find out what happens when light enters a glass prism. Don't miss a single colorful moment. Hey there, welcome to the Wonder Lab, where science is our superpower. Today, we're going to discover what happens when light passes through a glass prism. And don't forget to try this experiment at home. All you need is a flashlight and a glass of water. Let's begin with a super exciting scene. A beam of white light moves across a dark background. It races across the screen and then smashes into a glass prism. Whoa! The light splits into a vibrant rainbow of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Beautiful! In our next scene, let's set up our lab. We have a simple table with a flashlight, a glass prism, and a white screen. Our lab is ready. Let's do this! When the white light from the flashlight hits the prism, it gets dispersed into a beautiful array of colors. Look at that! These colors are so bright and beautiful. What's happening here? Let's investigate. We've got a big question. How does light separate into colors when it passes through the prism? To find the answer, we'll use super slow motion to see what happens inside the prism. Here we go! White light is made of many colors, each bending at a slightly different angle. When light travels through glass, it slows down and bends. This bending of light is called dispersion. That's why white light separates into all of its different colors as it passes through the prism. Violet light bends the most because it's a shorter wavelength of light. Meanwhile, red light bends the least because it's a longer wavelength of light. Now we know how rainbows happen in a prism. Let's see if we can spot a rainbow somewhere else. Outside, we see sunlight shining through some raindrops. What a beautiful day! Let's use our scientific knowledge to figure out what's really happening. Here, sunlight is bending as it passes through each water droplet. Each raindrop acts like a tiny prism. And just like in our experiment, the different colors of light bend at different angles, separating the light into a rainbow. Isn't that neat? That's why we see a rainbow when the sun shines through raindrops. Rainbows appear all over the world after rain or snow. They're a reminder that science is all around us. And now, you're a rainbow expert. It's time to close our Wonder Lab. And remember, you can make a rainbow at home with just a flashlight and a glass of water. Thanks for joining me today for this colorful science adventure. If you love science as much as I do, subscribe to the Wonder Lab for more amazing science adventures. Until next time, my little scientists, keep on thinking outside the box.